Welcome back to Yoga Buddies, the place where we stretch, move, and smile together. Today we're going to practice gentle yoga for kids, a calm and joyful routine to help your body feel light and your mind peaceful. Remember, yoga isn't about being perfect, it's about feeling good and having fun. So grab your mat, take a deep breath, and exhale, and let's begin our yoga adventure together. Oh, and before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Yoga Buddies to join us for more yoga fun every day. Stand tall and strong like a mountain. Feet together, shoulders relaxed, arms by your sides. Feel the ground under your feet and breathe deeply. You are calm. You are steady. Now grow into a beautiful tree. Lift one foot and place it on your other leg, hands together at your heart. Feel your roots holding you steady. If you wobble, it's okay. Trees dance in the wind too. Time to be a happy cat. On your hands and knees, round your back up high. Tuck your chin and feel your back stretch. Meow softly if you like. Now, take a deep breath and become a cow. Drop your belly, lift your head, and look forward. Moo gently and smile. From your hands and knees, lift your hips up. Make a big upside down V shape with your body. Keep your fingers wide and your heels pressing down. You're a friendly puppy stretching in the morning. Now lie down on your tummy, place your hands under your shoulders, gently lift your chest, look forward, and smile to the sun. This is Cobra Pose, strong and gentle at the same time. Sit up and bring your feet together. Hold your toes and let your knees flap like butterfly wings. Take soft breaths and feel your hips relax. Now, stretch your legs straight in front. Reach for your toes or just your knees, wherever feels good. Keep your back long and relax your shoulders. Breathe in and out. You're stretching your whole back. Kneel down, bring your forehead to the mat, and stretch your arms forward. This is your resting pose, a cozy little shell. Feel your breath move gently in and out. Everything is peaceful here. Now lie flat on your back, arms by your sides, palms up. Close your eyes and take a deep, slow breath. Feel your body resting, your mind calm, your heart happy. Stay here and enjoy the quiet for a little while. Great job, little yogis. You did amazing today. Stretching, breathing, and relaxing with your whole heart. Take one last deep breath in and let it go. Bring your hands together in front of your heart and say softly, Namaste. If you enjoyed this yoga time with Yoga Buddies, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a new yoga adventure. See you next time, friends. Keep smiling and keep shining.